Hi guys, this is Strela Thaunawzam bringing you the 26th episode of Mami Mapao. Mayam na mamangi kunga mga suba episode ta pibirakhiba suggestions amadi feedback singidamak thagacheri. Nungay ba paw mana? Program asi Friday kudingi Impact Entertainment Channel da sandokcheri ba asigi mathakta. Saturday kudingi Impact News Channel da su episode asidagi hauna nungthil pung mari da sandok pahuzaragani. Now guys, our 26th episode is filled with exciting news from around entertainment and fashion world. Let's look at the headlines. Ahanbada Manipuri feature film Nuray making Mapao. Ani suboy na thamjariba asina 38th annual art exhibition pangtokibagi Mapao ni. Animecon Imphal 2018 hapta kang jaybungda pangtokibagi Mapao na ahum suba Mapao na thamjari. Miss Amadi Mr. Notice India da Manipur represent taunaba audition pangtokibagi Mapao na mari suboy na thamjari. Mga suba Mapao asi Tribal Culture Festival pangtokibagi Mapao ni. Taruk suba amadi aroy Mapao na thamjari ba asina a special candid talk session with the marvelous singer Jun Nilu. Let's have a look. Rakesh Moirang Themgi direction da GN Entertainment gi banner makada miyam da khudol tamnaba hotnariba Nuray haina mingthon ba Manipuri feature film asigi behind the scene kamdau bage haibadu yengminasi.
GN Entertainment के बैनर मखादा नंदी ने खुदोल तमदुना हेरोजित नारोइबंग की वारी अमदे स्क्रीनप्ले दा युमफम ओइदुना पानखतपा नुरै हाना मिंथोन बा मणिपुरी फीचर फिल्म मा राकेश मोइरांग थेम एडिटर मदे लमजिंग लमताकपि थौदांग लौदुना मियाम दा खुदोल तमने बा लाखनरी
छाम पोस्ट काजना बा
गोपेन पुथोकलिबा नम्मदि फाजौ हाइबना चिंगबा इसै कया टोनी आइबमना सैपांदुना अर्बिन नम्मदि पुष्परानी अनिना सहेक तमलिबा फिल्म असिदा सिनेमेटोग्राफी की थौदांग संजोय चिंगांगबना लौबगा लोइना सोमोरजित हाउबम ममदि सुरज लाइश्रम अनिना VFX की थौदांग लौरी
Aigi sakloni nangbu nushivagi sahuni
Satyajit Thiamna choreograph tawduna pankhat palakna ru film masida Kaiku Araba Daya Soma Bizu Idau Konika Gayatri amadi Gita na chingba lamdam masigi maming leraba mamiro kyana saktam langli
Manipur film da nangna khongda releaba album gi lamda di mayamna khwaidagi pamnaba Manipur gi hero hoji kana gym chana duna leire maya khoina men oina lang asi lakchari je Nuray date 20 da release tawdore Nuray haba film asi araba gi ayamba album sing da su yam kana hit oi group album yam later Nuray ajina first oina release tor ko dai ni ko as a Manipur feature film oina sida kai phawige
yam excited oi ba phawe ama mukta duga aigi de hamba oi dene sigi Nuray asna debut oina act tok jabani harawa phawe film gi oina de 2 months ki within 2 months 1 million cross to ne
sai si so kimatik fazagi aigi jo isa gi jo favorite ni ko
film se editing lab ta hai tare editing lab ta adum khara dum yengjai aigi mota de aina aigi hamba oi banina yamna aina thawai yauna tawjagi ba film am de oi
awabada ta doira na chagana nupi ji thungna doira thungna roi doira kaina doira hint am pirme me
film se mayam yengboina la aga film se yeng bira kan ta khangminar se
suspense ama thambai wane ko
hama makta da viewers sungu kurum jari lakadurba 28 May da tawgadaba aigi han hanba film nurai si mayam na nushibiduna mayam amuktangdi miting taba lakpi hajani
Samaksu leram dorel.
samak su lejaram gani mayam sungai jaram ge
Okay, thank you so much maduni akoi arabagi arabi han film keno mayam su na yengbla pio koi mami pau na su mapam dudang mayam bungai jaram ge araba no su ngai nam dore. So thank you so much. Let us wait for 28 May for Nurai.
Malangbaina humduna puraga palhangani pamilda aigi punsigi.
Hey, atubu ko ngodi idi mo. Yang tu ne, wali na blak tu yang ni na krai.
Aigi pondani tauduna sanaliva naksinduna nambo purivani aise.
Yam phasadaw male soidana mai pa ko ibi hauzik amuk minjeng taminasi Manipur State Kala Academy na sinduna 38th Annual Arts Exhibition Imphal gi Palace Compound da leiba Manipur State Arts Gallery da mapung fana pangthokliba asigi mapaw ama
Kunsrani Palak Suba Annual State Exhibition of Arts 2018 Imphal di Palace Compound leba Manipur State Art Gallery da thasi ge hoki batang tara tarukta jinglem lap thorama magaloina Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lapum Jain Kuman haudoktuna mapung fana pangthokli numit mangani chomna pangthokodurba lamdam sigi artist kaya ge haithoi sinthoi babu thenduna utli thorama se Manipur State Kala Academy sinbun pangthokpani lamdam sigi horakliba art ku pamjaba naha kaya da ning thaugatnaba loina na Manipur gi tongan ba art ki ning tijraba khudol singna lamdam masibu malem da saktak da maru oibe thaudang lohnan na gi wakalolda exhibition ase jahi gi oina lekra pangtok tuna lakli painting sculpture khaidok tuna utliba exhibition ase da artist tara mapangi apunba artwork kunna utli haibu singa sigi manungda thangjam tulachandra gi value haina mington ba sculpture amade moirang them Thomas ki Nightmare of Nature version 1 haina mington ba graphic ku Manipur State Kala Academy Award pining na bigitama khangat ki thoramasi haudokki khudong chaba lauraduna Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lapam Jain Kumana Imphal East ki wakha da sagaliba Culture University yauna Loktak Park ledi chau buchingda culture ki complex ama sananaba loinana Film Institute ama de Film City sananaba mafam sing Manipur da paikhatliba tongan ba art and culture ka mari lenaba project sin yengshin naba Union Culture Minister Jun Thad status da laklagani haiba wafam phongdoki
yam phazana mapung phana pangthok pikre mathang tarakpa chahi sing da su leptana adumak pangthok pangamba oibiyo. Coming up next is AnimeCon Imphal 2018, which is jointly organized by Machu and AnimeCon Imphal. Come on guys, let's see what happened there.
The Machu presents AnimeCon Imphal 2018 and Mami Mapao is here to give you everything you need to know about this event. So, what else do we have in this event, Strela?
Tenjing, from what I've heard, there are so many contests and so many good stuffs going on here. Akhoi moina pamza character sing je seledana aduga cosplay kind of tholakpa adagi maron baudane connect wa ga thanga ai ngarang se pura ngau bane ba. And moreover there are e-gaming, esports gaming contest, competition, adagi karaoke contest, ramen eating contest. Oh my god, adum this I chado yare. So guys, let's have a look what else AnimeCon Imphal has to give us.
AnimeCon Imphal 2018 haina mingthonba cartoon namadi comic characters singi visual setuna matau tamba cosplay na chingba inkhalagi bana kyana khoida zaba event ama palace compound leiba hapta kangjai bungda tha sigi taramari dagi hoguna numit nini chumna pangthokre cosplay contest, treasure hunt, esports, ramen eating contest amade open mic session na chingba kyana thoram sigi mapungoi ba sakam sing oiki classroom dagi mapan tholaktuna co curricular activities kaya uthoknu namagi platform ama oiriba thoram ase machu hana mingthon ba loop amana AnimeCon India ga khusam na pangthokpani Japan da pangthokkiba World Cosplay Summit da saruk yaru rabi Arunachal Pradesh dagi Hotaru Juno yauna status gi wang dagi model cosplayer tariat na saruk yari ba thoram asida bunna cosplayer yankhai mu na saruk yaki AnimeCon Imphal 2018 gi maroi ba thoram oiriba cosplay contest ta Kagura dance utkiba Sima amade Gihakama Howdy jacket ki satam utkiba sanaton anina winner oikiba ga loinana thoram asidagi punna cosplayer mapanbu machuna sponsor tawdana November 13 dagi December ani fawa pangthokadoriba national level AnimeCon India da saruk yaran nabagi khudong chaba fangba ngamki event asigi cosplayer ayamana Japanese comics singi character kya saki kharamana thoramade Zack Sparrow na chingba Hollywood character sing saki
ai tasengna yam kanna anime gi fan oidabana kaino habidi khangdre do mailoi komchale de khange kana saino de gane last akoi dag oiram dano go. So can you please tell your names?
I'm Pibarel.
Rinku Sevam, I'm Hanglin.
Mas lok thok pa yadabra no gi sa amtang yeng je lok thok ga mayam ju khangna ba sabiri ba cosplay je haidi character se kaino habidam tang haibi
Sword Art Online gi guild ama Laughing Coffin naina aina Red Eyed Zaza mana
Johnny Black. And a POH ko.
ado character sing du ga chana ba dialogue ne khangde do macha mtang taw yu dana.
Okay, to our surprise, we have got the Jack Sparrow from the Pirates of the Caribbean here in our AnimeCon Imphal 2018.
I am Gotin Loitongmam. I am the Johnny Depp from the Captain of the Caribbean Sea.
Akoy cosplay je ngasi ki cosplay competition am ju leyen tai adu yaubi doira adu ga isa preparation je kamai toroke
Preparation se I Johnny Depp ki expression kara tame aw daidi magi moves ma toba acting kara tame adu kashu yam do tamde na te
adu practice hoina hai tare mayam da ju khangan moina ko sidobudi tawdore mayam da kitang highlight am tak torom jine hojik adu dialogue hoina hana tawga jo
dialogue tawjarage function by action gum mo tawjar
So ai jing sai chatlu bani ba duga ne yam phaza nu pi ma ui na chenjal lak bani kai min ko bige do leifam gam tai bi
ai ming Sylvia nong thomam sagolon Vijay Govinda dagi
aduga sabiri ba character ki maming jiga hai bi
Lady Loki
kai no khangdre do ka kamain to bajana do adu ki dialogue ni khangde action ni khane matem tang hai bi taw yama
Lady Loki haibse kaino gi Marvel Cinematic Universe ki super villain ne bago maze Thor gi adopted brother aduga adopted son of Odin ne ba ado maze ayamba matamda Marvel Universe de kaino aina khangne God of Mischief haidi magi matau ma'am je haidi kaino villain oina oibagi
anime contest haidi cosplay contest ama leidana adu yaubi doira
tabu ta ado hujibuki de decide tawdri ngasi loijibena adu khalla
So guys, I have a surprise for you guys. Let's see who's here with us. She's from Arunachal and we're gonna hear more about her from herself. So hi.
Hello.
Can you tell us your name and why exactly you are here in Imphal?
Okay, my name is Bengya Ono and my cosplay name is Honorin. I'm here as a guest as I have been invited here. And I'm cosplaying as Bo Hancock in blue version and it's officially legal in action figure. and it's from One Piece. And I'm Bo Hancock. The character name is.
Thank you. So, how do you feel being in Imphal?
Actually, I didn't thought that it would be like this. As per my imagination, I thought it would be like mountain area, but it's quite plain, and I really love it.
So, what do you think of the cosplayers from Imphal itself? You've seen some of them, right? So, how do you see them, and how much of an anime influence is there in Manipur?
I went in many cosplay events like Nagaland, Mizoram, and Bangalore. Never heard that many otaku will be here, and it's so much surprising for me to see so many cosplayers here, as their costumes and their makeups and all, as this is the most important thing in cosplay, and they are far better than rest of the cosplayers that are growing nowadays.
Oh, thank you so much. I just really hope that everyone would get more inspiration from you guys and try better next year too.
Guys, ako hujik uriba si hadi yam fazagarba cosplay sing hujik mayam sin on live ying biriba moigi model sing hai tare like toys. So yam fazaba mo no tawi like we have heard that they have come from outside, and let's meet one of the owners of this stall. So hi. Okay, first let us know where you're from and where you have brought all this beautiful stuff.
So, well, we are from Nagaland. We came for this beautiful event, and then we get our stuffs from mostly Malaysia, China, all over the place.
So can you tell us a little bit brief about like all these items?
So all these items are related to manga and stuff. Yeah, some are stationaries because we are mostly aiming for kids and anime fans. So we're concentrating only on bringing items that are related to them or something they like.
So how far have you gone on your selling part? Like have the customers really like the?
Yeah, the response has been awesome, man. I would say the same as or better than Nagaland, because we've been selling in Nagaland also. So the response is quite good, and people really like this stuff. So it's awesome. Yeah.
I personally love them, so I'm sure that everyone, any kids, any kind of elders, all the age, they will love it. Thank you so much for coming. Ngasigi Animicon Imphal 2018 hariba thoram masigi event organizer manager oibiriba akogi machugi manager Miss Valentina ga unabagi tanja do lojage. Event asidi am pangthokre am fajana ngasi last day ni ko. Adu mayam gi response kamai tobige?
Response ngarang na hena hele ngasidagi ko altogether di successful hoy akhoi gi soiba hai targadi nong chugiba aduga akhoi gi organizer site gi mafam je choose tawba kanda kitang asoiba leigiba di enclose ba mafam amada tawjaram targadi hena nungai ga dabdo mosidagi first second third taba myam se khoina sponsor tawraga national level and even international level da punana bai damak ta khoina hotna jabane dota gi team 5 players ti akhoi gi gaming kaino mana gaming gi site amadagi ko sponsor tawraga moi any national level da even any states da chatken haiba kan moina fully sponsor ngasigi cosplayer competition ji first ta target khoi gi lai ba hotar juno khoi gi international cosplay summit taga chat panupi macha keno dagi amane arunachal pradesh tagi mana yaubi bana maram warga ma ga tawraga pulak chat na ba sponsor gi akoina khanjawadi yam khanjaye ko adubu loimak pangthok ngam dawse matung da mu hanna pangthok pangam na bana hotnajage na khalle mayam na support tawbiradi
Adu mathangi enemy con sidi kam kan lakani mayam dam da kanjage.
nong chuda matam da laktamne nong churaga na khoi gi ya try tawjage ko di enclose ba khoi gi leidana khoi gi ano no phomyam ma adugi myam sida khoi hana dagi handak tagi di hedi audience ki reaction se yam phajabana maram oiraga mathang da di sungsoi soi dana tawna bai dam da khoi gi side tagi di any flow amta leitana bai damakta fazana hona jage fazama form that no churasu kai churasu khoi gi side tagi aduna excuse oidana ba ko.
Okay, that was Animicon Imphal 2018, and next year nong chudum tam na lakani ne mayam jo haire aduna sungsoi soi dana ngai minasi. This is Tenzing and
Strela
with cameraman Naucha. Thank you for watching.
Oh, nong tazabay wani numitoy kununga is later. It was a big opportunity for anime lovers, particularly for those cosplayers. Anyway, guys, it's time for a short break. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Welcome back to Mami Mapao. Break matungda amukka hana taram nokcheri. Up next is the audition of Miss and Mr. Northeast India, which was organized by the Blue Orange Entertainment. Let's see how it went.
Guwahati Mashkawada Lakiba Jun Kulumdo the Pangtokodaruba, Miss Samsung Mr. Northeast India 2018 da Saruk Yarin Nabagi audition nama Thas Yahakit Karandoida, Infalgi Tangal Bazada Leba, Indigo Nation Jelius 21 store the Pangto Cray.
I think see audition Lori Bessie bought male and female Guinness Degi, Kala about Kangusina, Amuk Manipur represent Oraga, not a scheme of pull up whole unit compete Amto audition Kala Matunda. June grand finale to June 22nd amasung 23rd Silpagram amasung ITM Maskawa Guwahati Setaran category se hoi junior haibagi amasung lay degi amana junior kamu sigi below 18 gumba makada junior chingalan duga mistress ki zulai zeba ko moi chances pi se not only Mr. amasung Miss Northeast India 2018
Grand Fashion Event asibu Silver Blue Orange Entertainment gi makada pangthokiba audition adida FVV Femina Miss India Manipur 2017 Soibam Kanchan Namasung FBV Femina Miss India Meghalaya 2017 Kiran Laishram Anina Judy member Singoin Saruk Yaki Awang Nungpok India the Lady Step Nipan gi representative Sing Saruk Yaki Doriba Grand Fashion Event Sida Manipur gi Mihut Khanranabagi audition aduda Lamdam Sigi in Kalakliba Lam Sida Thawai Yauzaba Nupa Madi Nupi Kyana Saruk Yaki
Manipur will represent Tawiga Dauriba Pumna Makpu Yaifa Mongol Pizari. Soidana Mingchat Purak Poibi. Mathangda Puzarak Liba Mapao Asi, Chingmairong da Leba Tribal Research Institute ta Lamdam Asigi Chief Minister na Hogdoktuna Tribal Cultural Festival Pangtoki Bagi Mapao ni Yang Minas.
State ki thak ta pangthokpa Annual Tribal Cultural Festival 2018 Thas gi hoki patara mathoi amadi tarani thoida numit nini chupna Chingmairong da laiba Tribal Research Institute ki complex ta pangthokre Tribal Culture for Peace and Unity Habit team da Ministry of Tribal Affairs Government of India na sponsor tawduna amadi Tribal Research Institute na sinduna pangthokiba festival ase Chief Minister Nongthong Biren na hogdoki festival asibu maming tagi oina pangthokpagi mahutta wahanthok leina kanabaro Pangthok Haninbagi Apamba Amade, Awang Nongpoki State Sing the Lady Tribal Affairs Kamadi Lenaba Sing Amade, State Asiki Art and Culture Department, Tana Duna, Festival Ase, Hena Mapung Fana Pangthok Haninbagi Apamba Su, Nongtongum Biren Fongdoki.
Akoi festival ama tawbuni haibaduri mami na tawbudu banade. So be meaningful. Ai duga ikoina tawri budugi mami kana ba prajada pi ga dabane. Ado duksha ko try to mga taruki Tauraganda, sige, apit pa, masaya the end of the minister is already, I'm not satisfied. Hudson at the water machine, all around or somewhere, but so, country Kumba, she did a song of Hazana Tauraga, Taugada. I don't know, from next year again, if you need money, government is ready to provide.
sahi khuding oina pangthokliba festival asina state asida leiriba furup singi marakta nungsi chanaba amatoibagi wakalol makhatana purak oiresinu haina deputy chief minister na festival asi loishinbagi thoramda fongdoki.
When we are talking of bringing the hills and the plains together, and through such celebrations, I think we are bringing and emphasizing the importance of being united, being together.
Wow! Amazingly beautiful. Manipur sa nalaybak si amatta hegwat palate. Great job! Now it's time for Mami Mapao Candid Talk with who? Well, let's find out.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ.
Five years ago, Nangdi Laklaroi hit the music industry, and we have got the most loved pop artist, female singer of Manipur, Jun Nilu. Ngasi akoina Candid Talk special guest oina Chejun hoigi magi mayumna ni akoina leibise mayamda Chejun gi maramda kitang mayamna khangbudu dagi hena kari khangmina yabge puna khangmina si. So first of all, Chejun, thank you so much. And then mayamda introduction oina Chejun gi matang da kitang haibiro.
I say ichna ohum shui and baba doctor ne, mama na college ki lecturer ne, and tamo ani luhong handak amma luhong dangari adu mga ay kayam paliday ni.
Ado Chejun gi mingje ade akoi budi khangi ko phajana ado taju mayong the confusion ma'am leba kamaina Jun Nilu haije kamain to ino haida ado ming gi matang dom taga.
I say si question de dum hangi se kai I say nickname ma'am leba. Akhoi family da mi laiba khuding mangna amamam amamam kauba aduga nickname yam lai khraga swaina I say Chennai dam collect dam chappa kan jado ko sum kharna nickname je amam to ko tawraga finally Delhi da like dam akan se social media page hang bane ba Facebook page hang bukan da adu da Nilu na hang kan kana na khangdra adagi nickname wai kai wai ma'am na Jun su kauba adu dagi di aina some class phamna I say Jun Nilu na dum type tor half him ne ba. Then YouTube videos में हम upload तो हो रहा कांसा ऐसे आइए ऐसे मुझे ऋतु शर्मा है बने बुको अदो ऋतु हर का नाम तो खंग दबो को अदो ये तुम आइए निकनेम में सम चार क्रम नहीं होगा ऐसे नीलू ने उन थोड़ा कांदा दे मैम की क्या ना सम लाख हो रहा पा क्या है नी response से हम overwhelming ओई बहु रहे बुको जैसे कि तुम Jun Nilu है ना ऐसे खंग हो दे
Chejun gi isai tamu puga leibra
isai di tamakte do ai na hek gyan tarak pa de ऐसे तुम isai sa ga yam ikai na chahi I don't know, I know nursery ga tam bakando. Ada koi little flower tam eba, little flower tam pagi him ga se
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯤꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯕꯥꯃꯣꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯟꯗꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯒꯦ
MBAꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯟꯁꯤꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯕꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯅꯣꯛꯅꯤꯡꯒꯖꯥꯠꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛꯑꯝꯒꯅꯣꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯂꯣꯟझꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯣꯒ ꯄꯨꯔ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯡ 23 ꯄꯥꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯗꯕꯅꯤ나 ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯄꯥꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯣꯞ ꯊꯅꯝꯕꯒꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯞꯂꯣꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯞꯀꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯣꯐ꯭ꯇꯋꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯕꯠ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯗ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯗꯣ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯪꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯔꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯁꯦꯅ ꯅꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯕꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯕꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯕꯤ ꯃꯩꯁꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯗꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯟꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯏꯟ ꯗ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯐꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨ ꯄꯤꯛꯅꯤꯛ ꯆꯠꯂꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯪꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯔꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯉꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯆꯦꯖꯨꯟꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯖꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯆꯦꯖꯨꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯦ just not only about singing ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ any kind of action ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡꯗꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯦ ꯅꯝꯃꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯔꯦꯀꯣꯔꯗꯤꯡ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯦꯗꯤꯇꯤꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯀ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯟꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯖꯥꯠꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯖꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ
ꯑꯩ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯙꯧ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯏꯙꯧꯁꯦ ꯄद्ꯃश्री ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯤ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯑ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯂꯔ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯣꯂꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯔꯁ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯣꯝ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯣꯁ ꯗ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯗꯥꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯍꯪꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯗꯗꯧ ꯕꯣꯕꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯕꯦꯡꯒꯣꯂꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯛꯄ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯍꯩꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯝ ꯇꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 5ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯒꯤꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯈꯣꯡꯉ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯁꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯋꯦꯁꯇꯔꯟ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯨꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯇꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯗꯦꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯂꯤꯇꯜ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯥꯋꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯁꯣꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯎꯠꯄ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯋꯥꯁ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯛ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯛꯂꯛꯇꯦꯕ
ꯏꯁꯩ ꯁꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯆꯦꯖꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯖꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯆꯤꯆꯦꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯆꯤꯆꯦꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯖꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯃꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯩꯒꯔꯤꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯔꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯕꯦꯡꯒꯣꯂꯤ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯊꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯏꯪꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯐ꯭ꯂꯨꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯁ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯤꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣꯒꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯏꯁꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯗꯦꯟ ꯀꯦꯁꯦꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯦ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯁꯦꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯀꯦꯠꯆ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ प्ले ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯀꯦꯕꯥꯒ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯕꯥꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯍꯪꯖꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅꯒ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒ ꯕꯕꯥ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯠꯆꯤꯅꯦꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯟꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯩ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯦ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯆꯗꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯅ ꯐꯝꯃꯒꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯩ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯕꯠ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
Okay guys, ngasise ay kitang thengjadamne tenjingna thenghankhre aduna chejun ga thengnabada kitang kai haini mayam ngangai jubra ngangkhakhrona so che yam nungai thengnabase ahan mane thengnabase to ahan manumite dum ahan manumite dum I already love you Yajunna isai sakpani khangde sum art ki lamda changakpa haitare sida family gi support ti kamai tawbiki aduga if you had to give a credit to someone or a whole lot of people then who would they be
professionally di mama baba na singer oina leheningde ko maybe that's one of the reasons why I'm not seeing much on screen. Adubu mapana lai kanda de dum perform tawe aina office ki off kumba lai ba holidays kumba de dum perform tawe ba Bangalore da Delhi da, then sometimes I tour other cities as well. Aina thankful or agi well wishes from those people who had to, you know, stream for like, I don't know, half an hour maybe, just to see one music video of mine. I'm harawe aduga each and every one of you who have been watching my videos, who have been liking my songs, but those those people, each of them counts. I don't know, magi support na ni hening
work to minaba kanda karamba crew gumba laibra natragana as a band gumba gi bassist chapra hadi yeah, music wise.
I solo singer oina lay aduga Bangalore da gumba perform taw matam da di session players ko adugi gig ama laire si gig am laire hadi guitar players talented abdi hoi Manipur da so am lay likewise at cities me am da su friend me am thengnare ada ko aduna moina dum mateng bang biraga session guitar pu ba guitarist pu ba drummer pu ba ko moi me am tawraga admaina group oina chatle.
Nice. Ado je kaino instrument go madi play to bibra?
Not really. I say hazan hai badi nate, but like guitar gi chord khara pai ba hai. I used to play the flute in angang da ado phojikti khong hai matam da kaino moi na thogla hai di makon do
ado khwaidagi hai di sum pamjaba hai tare learn di ta hodraga su. Yeah, I wish I learned that kind of guitar. Yeah. Nice. Aizune. High five. So upcoming projects tika kai levi ke?
Few Manipuri movies ki aise shakhi bane do man release talk tree do na without their permission aisu kem hai bangam dare zikti ko upcoming movies khari leye. And then I handa tholak pa sida amuka ai ki anushi zabit now be mesh namga maga punse namuka tawraga anova project amagi kana recording to say but probably would be recording this month aduga by June. It'd be nice if we can release the video by June or July.
Mayam je June ne lugi June da ngai biu.
Not sure.
Ado soidan ni thola ani dana aduna mayam soidan ngai biu aduga je June bu support biu. Also apart from singing and stuff, isai gumba iba khotpagi the interest lai bibra?
Yeah, I write my own songs.
Nice. So favorite genre laidana adumba karamba ta lay?
I say pop rock, jazz, a little bit of blues, classical siam tai. Mama baba gi big influence lay banina ko adum tai. Then tamu hoi leba na metal tawa sum ya headbang ka tosan basu tum ya
kaga tosan na raga ai jam tawe du de. So isai igiba kanda kai haini ngasi baw da di aina sina khoi pam na iki hai gumba sakpa mak saktar ga su ko hai patang adui matang hai bi ya gatra.
I isai di release to but then I wrote a song called I'm Home. Aina kai haini as a teenage aina on the face or kiba awaba sing mi kudimaki awaba sing so like different or ngani ko ai so different but adum thengna re ups and downs lek ta banate. Then mapanda lai re panam kuina away from home aduna aina gyan tak matam da mama baba na tobirak pagini ko kaina ngon da khanjarak pa to aduna it's kind of a story actually aduna aina I'm home hadi chatpa ya bai chatluraga su I'm home in the sense I'm in Imphal habanataba ko I'm in Imphal habanataba I'm back where my roots are habagi safe and sound, you know, in my parents place maina I gi isay amalay.
Wow, now I'm curious.
Thank you Mami Mapao for having me. Viewers me ambusu thagat chari. Thank you so much for your support. I do hope that I get more support from you guys and hoping to work on more music videos and to sing more for you all. Love you so much and please do watch Mami Mapao and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you so much. So that was our beautiful, talented, and funny and decent and kay hi din no hangdre ra mayam yam. That was our precious Junelu with us, and this is Strela, your host. Tenjing here.
Zing, and with camera person Derek. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao.
Signing out. Bye. It was so wonderful meeting her, other than how beautiful her voice is. Getting to know a little bit more about her, we learned how beautiful she is as a person. Mami Mapao sends all regards and success, and also thank you so much for your time and hospitality. And now we have come to the end of today's episode. Ngasige episode asi karam tawbibage haibadu soidana comment tawbirau, feedback pibirau. And please never forget to press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. And yeah, don't forget to catch our repeat telecast every Saturday 4 p.m. at Impact News. Until next week, this is Strela Thornausam signing off. Bye-bye.